So for my Photoshop project, I decided to do um, my pictures related with Team USA track and field. I usually every time I get a project where I can create something on my own or where I can decide what the project main focus is, I usually end up doing sports because I've been in athletics all my life and I play lacrosse here at UC and I feel like I work well with sports. So for this project, I decided to do, well, since lacrosse isn't an Olympic sport yet, um, I decided to do something track and field wise. So when I started this project, I didn't really know how I wanted it to look. I originally just wanted the first centerpiece of this girl jogging here. I just wanted her to be kind of like faded in the background a little bit and just for her to be the center, but then as I kept working, I just kind of started adding things, and I liked how I was really good at using these tools, and so I ended up just creating this, which I actually really like it. I think it's a good. It kind of reminds me of like an ad for track and field for the Rio Olympics, so something like that. Um, so how I created this, I started off with this plain track at the bottom here. You can kind of see it. I'm not sure if I can click a bigger image. Um, so I started off with that. It was just the track and then a plain white background. Um, then I added this American flag, which I don't know where it is. Oops, no, that's not it. This one. I really like this picture because I kind of wanted something that faded in the back, and I like how the waves are. They kind of give it like a texture. So, and I love American flags. They're like one of my favorite things. That and pineapples. But I really like those, so I liked how I could find that picture really easily on the internet. And then, so all I did was when I found the picture I liked, I would save it to my photos, and then I would create a new layer, and that would pop up here at this menu bar up here, and then I was able to copy and paste these individual pictures um, onto um, my final project picture. And then from there, I would go to this. I'm not sure what this is called, but it was like a layer on top of the layer. Oh, add vector mask. That's what it was. So I would create that, and then I would slowly kind of outline my picture of what I wanted to show up on the screen, and I would color everything in, and then I would magically command I, and the picture would show up like this. And it worked really well for me. I think it took a lot of time, but I think it looks pretty good. And yeah, that was kind of just like my way of creating this. And then I used the text tool to create this kind of sign, if you will, sign or just some text up at the top, and I put it in a circle formation because I liked how um, I kind of have like this like standards on the sides with these two track and field Olympians, and then I have my center girl that I wanted to use um, overall. So it kind of just shapes the pictures, and then I have my medals at the bottom. So yeah, that was my Photoshop project.